Alright, so I just got done filming my first hair tutorial. This is my beautiful husband right there. But, oh man, it is tedious. I did these wand curls. Let me tell you, honey, never again. It took me forever to get these wand curls done. So, I don't think I'll be pursuing this career of wand curling it again. But, I just wanted to stop by and just say hey. And I did it. I did my first hair tutorial. So with this COVID-19, I have been walking around looking like Miss Sealy, but we are going to go to Shug Avery in about an hour and a half. So just watch my little step-by-step. It's very simple, and I hope you like the video. Okay, y'all, so this is very, very simple. I have my styler, which is the ORS Heat Protectant and Serum, my curling rod, and just a hairbrush to smooth out my hair when I put it into sections. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take down my braids and just smooth my hair out with my fingers first before I get my brush involved. I'm going to add my heat protectant / styler. I'm going to run it through my entire head from root to tip. When you're doing your hair, if you do not have time to be gentle, don't do it. Put on a hat, put on a wig, put on a head wrap. I'm going to plug up my heating iron, let it warm up. I don't put it on the highest heat. That's why my curls are always so big and fluffy, because I'm not cooking my hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm segmenting my hair into smaller sections. And, oh, my camera's like tilting on me. So I'm just going to fix it real quickly. But I'm going to get my brush while it's in the smaller sections. I still have that serum on my fingers, so I'm going to get the smallest section from that group that I have. Notice I'm not using any combs, okay? My hair is already detangled, so if you didn't do it prior, take your time and detangle your hair, and it's going to be easier when you're using that wand curl. So I went through and I brushed through from root to tip. I'm going to turn my wand curl and I'm going to twirl it away from my face. I'll hold it for about maybe 15 to 20 seconds, maybe, if that could be long. So I'll say maybe 15 seconds, and then I release. So I still keep that body. If the longer you hold on to the heat, the smoother will I say your curls will be. So it'll look like you're curling permed hair. But I don't want to look like my hair is permed, honey. I want you to know this is natural. I want it to be big. As big as Kanye West's eagle, okay? So I'm going to just do that process over and over again. It is tiring because you're holding your arm at an angle, so it's a process. But I just do the same thing over and over again. Where my hair is thicker, I make the section smaller. And I just continue on and on and on. Now, I do not put heat on my hair quite often. I do wear wigs a lot because I want to keep my hair. I've been growing my hair for about 6.5, 7 years. I was relaxed. I started going natural maybe like my last year in undergrad. My last year, 2 years in undergrad. So I've been maintaining that hair ever since. So here I'm just showing you a close-up. You just really want to take your time and watch your fingertips, because if they get snagged onto that curling rod, it will burn. So I just hold it on there for about 15 seconds. I let it cool in my hand really quickly, and then I release. And I just continue that same process. So I'm going to finish doing my entire head, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I did it. But iron is going, this room is getting hot. I'll be back. Okay? But that is it, honey. My whole hair is done. My curls are full. My hair feels like hair, doesn't feel like Cheetos. It's fluffy. And that's how I achieve my big curls.